So hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and this video is especially for the class 7 mathematics. As my dear students, as you know that the examinations are very near. Today in this episode, I am just going to explain you all the portions which were very important in the forthcoming examinations. And today from this maths, this is R.s.aggarwal NCERT syllabus CBSE. So here today I am just going to explain you the chapter 6 algebraic expression, that is exercise 6a. So my dear students, watch this video very carefully, take your pen, copy and just follow it whatever just I am explaining. Now this is exercise 6a and we will do all the important sums one by one. So listen very carefully, try to understand it and practice it, because the more you practice, the more you will be perfect. So here is the first question. 5x 7x minus 6x. What we have to do, we have to add all these three. Now add. How? What we will do, wherever commas are there, we will just put plus sign. First we will write is equal to 5x plus 7x plus. See here we got one more sign. So two signs at a time you cannot write. So what you will do, just you can make it separate by giving simple bracket. Okay. Now again you give is equal to 5x plus 7x. What is plus minus? Plus minus becomes minus 6x. 5x plus 7x is equals to how much? 12x. And this is 6x. Now 12x minus 6 is how much? 6x. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now pause the video, note it down, but try to understand it and try to do without seeing this one. Okay. Now we will proceed to next question. Now we will see question number 4. So we will make the second question of the same Roman number. Question number 4 we will do. Just we will copy the question. 3 by 4 x square, 3 by 4 x square, comma 5x square, comma minus 3 x square, comma minus 1 by 4 x square. Okay. So what we will do? We will just give plus sign in place of commas. Now 3 by 4 x square plus 5x square, again two sign we got, so we will make it by giving, we will make it separate by giving a simple bracket. 3x square minus 1 by 4, again we got two sign, so plus minus 1 by 4 x square. Now we will break the bracket by putting one sign. 3 by 4 x square plus 5x square plus minus minus 3x square plus minus minus 1 by 4 x square. Is it clear? Now here, this is in the rational number, this is also rational number, but these are simple whole number, so we will also make it rational number by putting simply 1. Now what happens? X square, x square, x square, x square is common, so we will write x square outside. Now here LCM will be 4. So here it is 3. 4 will leave as it is 4, as 3 will be as it is 3 only, plus but it is 1. 1 4s are 4, so 4 5s are 20, minus. Similarly, 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus. 4 is already there, so 1 will be like this. Now again we will just make it 23 minus how much? 13 by 4 x square. So is equals to how much? 23 minus 13, 10 by 4 x square. Now here we can cut 2 5s are 2 2s are. So we got 5 by 2 x square is the answer. Okay. So pause the video and just try to understand it each and every step. Now close it and try to do without seeing this one. Again, if you have any difficulties, again see the video, try to understand each and every bit, because until and unless you won't understand it and you won't make it practice, you won't be a perfect. Okay, so practice will make you more perfect, remember this. Now we will see the another sum. Now we will see question number in Roman number 1, 7th one, 5x minus 2x square, 5x minus 2x square minus 8, comma 8x square minus 7x minus 9, comma 3 plus 7x square minus 2x. Now this is the question. Okay. Now what we will do? Wherever commas are there, we will just put plus sign. Now I am writing here only, but you student don't do this. Again you write this, because that was the question. So don't do this in the question. Again you copy this one and you write plus 1. Okay. So this is the second line. Now what we will do? We will just bring like terms in one side. What are like terms? First we will take the maximum power. Here power is 2. This is minus 2x square. This is also 8x square, 7x square. These are like terms. Now bring this like terms in one side. Now bring positive 1. Positive 1 is 8x square. 8x square plus 7x square. Now bring this minus 2x square. Okay. Now then go for second like term. This is x, x and x. Means plus 5x minus 7x minus 2x. Now third like terms are simple numbers. This is minus 8, minus 9 and plus 3. So plus 3 first we will write, minus 9 and minus 8. Okay. So what we will do? Again 8 plus 7 is 15x square minus 2x square. This is plus 5x minus minus plus 7 9 minus 9x, and this is plus 3, and if we add these two, because minus minus becomes plus, so minus 17. Now what happens? This is the answer line. 15 minus 2 is 13x square. Plus 5 minus 9 will be minus 4x, and here minus 14. I think this is the answer. Okay. So simply try to understand it, everything bit by bit, and copy it. Okay. Now we'll proceed to next question. Now let me put this. 8 by 5x will write. 8 by 5x plus 11 by 7y plus 9 by 4 xy comma minus 3 by 2x minus 5 by 3y minus 9 by 5 xy. Okay. Now only one comma is there. If we'll put comma, if we'll remove comma and we'll just add plus, but we got two sign, plus minus becomes minus. Okay, and remaining everything as it is. Now bring the like terms here. What are the like terms? This is x and this is also x. Bring this to 8 by 5x minus 3 by 2x. Now y and one more y here, minus 5 by 3 y, and the last one is 9 by 4 xy and 9 by 5 xy. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just make the LCM of these two. 5 and 2 LCM will be 10. 5 2s are, so 8 2s are 16x. 2 5s are, so 5 3s are 15x. Plus 7 and 3 LCM 21. 7 3s are, so 11 3s are 33y. Minus 3 7s are, 7 5s are 35y. Plus again 4 and 5 LCM is 20. 4 5s are, so 5 9s are 45x y, and 5 4s are, so 4 9s are 36xy. Now 16 minus 15 is 1, so we will write simply 1 by 10x, and here plus minus minus, since this is greater number, so minus will be there. I think 2 by 21y, and here 45 is greater, so plus 20, so 45 minus 36, I think 9xy. So this is the final answer. So again, please check it very carefully. Try to understand it every bit. Now copy it in your notebook. So okay, pause the video, copy it. Now we will see Roman number 2. Now we will see Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is subtract is there, minus 8xy from 7xy. So wherever from is there, you have to bring that one 7xy first. Now let me copy the question first. The question is minus 8xy, you have to subtract from 7xy. Okay, this is the question. What we will do? See Roman number 2, question number 1. So if it is wherever from is there, जब भी from लिखा रहेगा तो from के बाद जो भी रहेगा उसको इज इक्वल टू के बाद लेकर आ जाइए. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. So give the subtract sign. But here is one more subtraction sign already there in the question, and this we have wrote because we have to subtract. Now this 2 sign at a time you cannot write, so make it separate by giving simple bracket. Now 7xy minus minus becomes plus 8xy. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15xy is the answer. Okay. Now we will see in a same Roman question number 6. Now pause the video, copy the question. Now question number in Roman number 2, 6.1. What is 6? You have to subtract x minus y plus 3z from 2z minus x minus 3y. What we will do, as it is from है बोल के, this one we will bring first by giving is equal to sign. 2z minus x minus 3y minus. If you write minus, you have to bring this one under bracket. So give the bracket x minus y plus 3z. Why the bracket is given is that x minus 3y, these 3 all as it is we have copied here. Now here, since it is subtraction, we have to multiply it with each everything, because but simply in other words we can say that we have to change the signs. So because this is plus, if there is no sign we have to think plus. Minus plus is minus x, minus minus is plus y, plus minus is minus 3z, is 3z. Now like terms z and z, this is 2z, this is minus 3z. 2z minus 3z is how much? Copy it down, it's simply you can write it 2z minus 3z, then x, this is also x, minus 3y plus y. Or you can write x1 first, y second and z third. Now what happened here? So 3 minus 2 is minus z, minus 2x, plus minus minus, minus 2y. Answer. Or you can write minus 2x, minus 2y and minus z. Answer. Okay. So copy this one. So okay, now copy this one. We will see the another sum. Now we will see Roman number 5. Subtract this sum, the first bracket and the second bracket, from minus 3. Now what we have to do, we have to add these 2 brackets similarly as we have done in Roman number 1. And what answer comes, and that answer we have to subtract it from minus 3. Now we can do directly also, since from is there, so we will write from minus 3 first. Minus 3 minus. We will give bracket, and whatever written is everything will write 8a minus 6a square plus 9 plus minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square. Okay. So like this also we can do. Now here is equal to minus 3 minus, gives a simple bracket, 8a minus 6a square plus 9 plus minus minus 10a minus 8 minus 8a square. Now minus 3 minus, we will write like terms 1, 6a square plus 8a square. So 8 minus 6 is 2a square. Then we can remove the bracket, and then 8a and minus 10a, 10a is greater, so minus 2a, this is plus 9 minus 8, that means plus 1. Now we have to give bracket because minus sign is there. Now minus 3, if minus is there before bracket, what happens? We have to change all the signs. Minus 2a minus plus minus minus plus 2a minus plus minus 1. This one as it is, we will write it here, 2a square plus 2a minus 3 minus 1 becomes minus 4. I think this is your final answer. Okay. So copied this one. So that's all in this video. In the next video, I will just give you some important sums from exercise 6b from the same chapter, algebraic expressions. Till then, we will see you in the next video. Till then,